guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. So today's not a makeup video, it's actually a pretty chill, relaxed video. I'm going to be testing out some like fidget toys, stress toys, whichever one you guys want to call them, that I got off of Amazon. I have 4 of them, and I'm just going to show you guys them from like cheapest to most expensive. I have only played around with one of them, and that's actually what gave me the idea to do this video because I don't know. I think it's fun just have relaxed videos like this every once in a while, so that's what we're gonna do. I have the Infinity Cube. It's ages 3 and up. I should be able to figure it out. I of course got like the pastel blue and pink one because why not? I have no idea like what you do with this. Whoa. Wait, what? Okay, you can't bend it back that way, but you can bend it that way. I'm so confused. So is the point, see, like, I don't like that you can't like keep it in shape. Like that it doesn't stay in shape. So this Infinity Cube was $3.99. It's very interesting. I'm so, like, I'm intrigued, but I'm also like annoyed that it won't stay in place. I think it's cool that it just like keeps moving. Like, you can just keep moving it. I don't know. I mean, I'm still playing with it, so it must not be that bad. But, like, on a scale of, like, 1 to 10, I would rate this, like, a 5. I don't know. I guess maybe the more I get used to it, the more, like, fun it gets. You can fold it like a cube. And then, like, fold it like a cube that way. Is it called the Infinity Cube because, like, it never stays a cube? It, like, wiggles around instead of staying a cube? It's not bad, but I don't know. Maybe I should rate it higher because, like, I've been completely distracted from the video by playing with this, so it's not that bad, but I just kind of thought that, like, it would stay in a cube form, like, if I wanted it to. But, like, there's no way for it to stay in a cube form. But, I mean, for $3.99, that's not bad, and if that's your type of thing, then definitely check it out. I will have all of these things linked down below, and I am an affiliate with Amazon, so it is an affiliate link. So if you buy something through that link, then I get a small commission. Okay, so the next thing I have is actually what I'm the most excited about. I'm so excited about this. So this is the Stretchy Banana. This is $6.88 on Amazon, and like supposedly this is the stretchiest banana. It like feels like it has like sand in it. So this is the banana. See what I mean? Like it kind of feels like it has like sand in it. You guys can tell by that texture, but like it's not like as stretchy, I guess, as I thought it was gonna be. It feels really weird when you stretch it. They showed like pictures like people like tying it in a knot. It's not that easy to do. This feels very strange. I also am like confident that my nails will eventually poke a hole in this. It works. Did I already poke a hole in it? No. Okay. So if you like roll it in your hands, it'll like go back to its shape. Hello. It's kind of satisfying to me, like an absolute child. Okay, I'm gonna give this like an 8 out of 10. This gets an 8 out of 10. Can you guys see that? It looks like there's already like a little tear. I can guarantee you it will not take me long and I will rip this open. The next thing I have is what inspired this video, and it's these. I'm sure you guys have seen these somewhere, anywhere. A lot of people have these. These like little like popper toys. I got the strawberry and pineapple set. This set is $10.99, but there's a bunch of different kinds you can get, and I just find these really satisfying. I will say I like the strawberry one better than the pineapple. I don't know if they're meant to be different. The pineapple one's definitely more firm. Like these ones are just really like thin little poppers. They're really easy to pop. And then this pineapple one's just a little bit more firm. These are very fun. I got these not too long after my birthday, so I've had them for over a month. I really enjoy them. Now I will say, like, with my long nails, it sometimes can be hard to like get a good pop on them because I'm poking them with my nails because my nails are very long. But like if I had short nails, I would probably play with this all the time. This one gets a 10 out of 10. And they have them in all different like shapes, colors, and I did get the set, which is more expensive, but they're around $5 or $6 each, so they're pretty affordable. This next one I actually saw on Rhett and Link like forever ago when they tested out a bunch of like stress toys and stuff, and it's the Therapy Putty for hand exercises. This was $14.89. It has extra soft, soft, medium, and firm. Yellow one is extra soft. It doesn't really smell like anything, which is probably good, but this is the extra, ooh. This is the extra soft one. Guys, this could be like a whole like ASMR thing. I like this extra soft one because it's like putty, like it feels like Play-Doh. And I love Play-Doh, so I definitely like the extra soft one. The pink one is soft. It's definitely more firm. I'm not a fan. I know I'm gonna hate the firm one. Like I'm gonna hate the firm one. It's for hand exercises. It's like I could see how it would be good for you to have like work your way up to the extra firm one for actual hand exercises, because you know that would help your hands, and I probably could use some hand exercises, so I might even look up like what exactly you're supposed to do with these other than just knead them, which maybe that's all you're really supposed to do is just like, you know, like this, because then you're getting a better grip on your hands as you work up to the firm one. This one almost kind of reminds me of Silly Putty. You know, it's just a little bit more firm than Play-Doh. It's kind of like Silly Putty. Looks like Silly Putty. So yeah, that's not bad either. So the green one is medium. It's kind of fun to see how like weak I am. Oh, this is hard. Can you guys tell like how much harder I have to try to squish this one? This isn't bad. I mean, I'm actually enjoying myself, and like I could see me actually using these for like what you're supposed to use them for. The recommended hand therapy tool designed to increase flexibility, improve strength, prevent stiffness, and relieve joint pain in your hand, wrist, and forearm. Also, yeah, if you guys have joint pain, this could be nice. I mean, honestly, like this could be really nice and really helpful. This is definitely the most helpful out of all the ones that I've tested out. So the blue one is firm. This is firm. I'm not excited about this. Oh, that's about it. I like can barely even do anything with this. Like, it's definitely firm because it really doesn't want to change shape here. There's no stretching it. I mean, obviously, it probably would stretch, like, if I was stronger, but I'm not, because I probably need to use these. And I need to probably start with soft and move my way up, because extra soft is obviously too easy for me. These are the therapy putties. I think they're pretty good. I definitely will use them again. Probably more or less for actual, like, hand exercises, or maybe just if I'm sitting around watching TV, I might just grab these and run through them, just give myself a little hand workout. These have been sitting in my cart, like, ever since I watched them on Rhett and Link. I was like, I really want to try those. So yeah, if you guys are interested in testing these out, I do recommend them. I will probably go ahead and give these a 9 out of 10. My favorite thing of all of these is probably still, like, my little poppers, because I think this is just so fun, and I just love to sit here and pop them. If I had to, like, rank them from, like, worst to the best, I'd probably say the Infinity Cube is on the bottom, and the banana, and then the therapy putty, and then my poppers, like, with just, like, how fun they were. So yeah, that's all. If you guys enjoy these kind of videos and you want to see more, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you can see the next time I do one of these. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. If you're looking for some kind of, like, fidget toy, stress toy, some kind of, like, sensory toy, if you're looking for something like that, like, I hope this video was helpful. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would really appreciate that. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Also, look at my nails. How cute are they? And my middle fingernail is broken, and I glued it back on. Anyway, bye!